Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can remove this front bumper for this Fiat 500 2012. Okay, now we're going to go in the side. We're going to have to unscrew these two screws with a plus screwdriver. I'm using the LV drill. You can use the ratchet or a screwdriver. We're going to do the same thing in the other side. But now we have to unscrew this screw with the T30. We're gonna have to unscrew this screw from here.
Did you see that?
I'll do the same thing. I already unscrewed these two. Now I'm gonna unscrew this one with a T30. I'm gonna use the ratchet, and then I'm gonna use the electric drill to be faster. Okay. Now I'm gonna lift up the car to unscrew the screw on the knit. Two screws with a plus, one in the side, one here and one here. Okay, and four and three with the T30. Okay. So, 3. I have to change my bits from this toolbox. Okay, now we're gonna go on the top to unscrew the screws and the bonnet. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We're gonna have to unscrew them with a Torx 30 T30. This one has too much rust. And now we have to shake the bumper. Shake it, because we have to remove them from their clips. Okay, you can use a screwdriver, but you have to put some masking tape here. Yeah, I'm using this, they are plastic. But if you want to remove them, you have to use a screwdriver. And you have to put some masking tape here to don't scratch the wing. Motherfucker. Okay, we have here one clip. We have to push fucking piece of shit inside. That's it, we take it out. That's it. Now let's go on the other side. Let's do the same thing. Okay. Okay. Let's shake it. Okay. And now we have to remove the plugs from the light. Okay, have to push this small clip and pull one, and this side as well. Okay, down again, you have to pull this clip and push down. You have to remove this one. If you have somebody to help you, ask him. Don't scratch the bumper. Pull and push. That's it. This is the way how you can remove the front bumper.